Yo, what up everyone on YouTube? It's your boy A-Dub, Ace Dubs. I got a real special video for y'all today, and if you read the title, you know exactly what it is you're about to get into. But before that, I gotta ask y'all to do me some favors, you know what I mean? I need you to like the video up, I need you to comment on the video, I need you to subscribe if you like the video. That helps me grow, helps the channel grow, and we all can have a good time after that, you know what I mean? We all gonna go up a little bit after that. And don't forget, at 200, dropping the sneaker collection, so I'm 50 subscribers away right now. So I got some incentives for y'all, you know, just work with me, try to get me up there, promote me. But now that that's out the way, let's hop right into the video, y'all. Alright, y'all, so like I said, yeah, y'all know exactly what's going on today, and it is the Nike Space Hippie 02 in the Evoke colorway. Now, honestly, this is my favorite colorway, the Nike Space Hippie 02 so far, only because the green. I mean, you guys know green's my favorite color. I say in like almost every video, I just love me some green, especially the green on the gray. You can't go wrong with it. It just looks cold. Like, honestly, it looks so cold. That's besides the point. That's not why we're here. Well, it kind of is why we're here, but y'all know what I'm trying to get at. But let's hop right into the shoe. All right, starting off, the shoe is made up of literally trash. When I say trash, I mean like, yes, like trash that you throw away, that you can find in landfills. You can kind of compare it to the Yeezy Foam Runner, which is made out of algae and recycled materials. This shoe is also made out of recycled materials. The shoe is made up of plastic bottles, t-shirts, and yarn scraps. I'm not too exactly sure what they mean by yarn scraps, but I'm assuming it's just like pieces of cloth that are left over. That's what the upper of the shoe is made up of entirely. And then moving on to the bottom, the sole of the shoe, this is made of like crushed leftover soles of old Nike models, Nike shoes. So one such shoe being the Zoom X Fly, I believe it's called, which is Nike's newest running shoe. The shoe is very environmentally friendly. I'm sure if you can just like throw it on the ground or something, it's biodegradable, so I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm not saying you should do that, but if you do it, don't say you got it from my video, because that's not very cool. You know, moving on, the shoe itself is very sturdy. I was very surprised. I tried to bend it and it was like, it wasn't moving. It's really sturdy. This black netting you see right here on the side of the shoes is also what gives that upper its structure, so your foot won't be breaking if you're trying to go running these, your foot won't slip and break. You know, whatever crazy stuff that people like to do in shoes. Moving on, it is a pretty dope shoe. Now, this is probably like my favorite Nike model of the year so far, and that's because of the comfortability factor of the shoe and how easy it is just to put on. And if you wear these, you're sure to break necks in these. You're walking down the street, someone's going to ask you what you have on, you can say trash, because the shoes are made of trash. You get it? Kinda, sorta, corny, maybe. Okay, moving on. So breaking down the shoe in general, like I said, recycled midsole, recycled upper. The Nike swoosh, however you pronounce it, is stitched into the upper of the shoe. And this is a one-piece upper. It does have this Nike strap on the top of the shoe, and it does say Nike, and then 02 for the Space Hippie 02, and then Nike swoosh again. The back tab also has the Nike reusability logo on it. The upper of the shoe is it's kind of stretchy. I did compare it to Priming It in my last video, so if you haven't seen that, shameless plug, go watch it right now. It's a great video. When you put this shoe on, the 02 does hug your upper. What's this part of your foot called?
Calf. Yo, on me? On me, so what is a calf?
This is the calf.
Bro, it's right there. It's around there, bro. It's around there, bro. Bro, how you go? Bro, you said around here, bro.
I was pointing right here. The upper of the shoe, it will hug their ankle, so it provides like a good warm feeling. But once you put the shoe on, it's honestly a great shoe. I mean, you're gonna love it. And I do recommend anybody gets these. In my opinion, the 03s are the best Space Hippie that they have released. I was a fan of the 01s, but now I'm more of a fan of the 03s and the 02s in my opinion. After I saw the 02s on foot, so I had to pick them up for you guys, of course. There's not really much else to say. It's just a crazy shoe in general. I mean, the shoe does have the recycled sole and the recycled upper, and it's pretty cool. You can also see like a little bit of fragments of the recycled materials inside the shoe. And also, I forgot to mention that the shoe's insole is also made of crater foam, which is Nike's newest cushioning technology. It kind of reminds me of Boost. Not too much, but it kind of does just a little bit. It has that reminiscence of a little bit of Boost in there. It's a great shoe, definitely one of the best shoes of 2020 thus far. Only second to the Yeezy Foam Runner, of course. But look out for a Kanye album review coming out real soon. I'm gonna try to get that up for you guys. If he drops the album, you know how he gets. But moving back onto the shoe, I love this shoe. I recommend to anybody pick it up. I'll leave some links down in the description if you guys want to check them out. Alright guys, so I forgot to talk about the box, but I'm going to insert it somewhere in the video. So if it's a weird jump, then my apologies. The Space Hippies themselves, the whole entire line is not double boxed at all. And that's in the effort to like cut down on carbon use, and great move on Nike's part, right? But the box that you guys get the shoe for, like the shoe box, is the box it ships in. It has the sizing tag on the outside and literally everything. You know, if someone is up on game and they know, they can like swipe your shoes. Not saying it's going to happen. The lettering inside the box is printed with a special plant-based ink, I do believe. And that's also in the effort to cut down on carbon use. It does say Space Hippie right here on the top, Space Hippie on the bottom. And then on the sides, it does say Move to Zero right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but Move to Zero. And then over here, it does say Nike. And then it does have the Nike lettering inside the box, paired up along with the Nike sign. With that being said, you know exactly what it is. You know exactly who it is. It's your boy A-Dub, Ace Dubs, Bay Cubs, and I'm out of here until next time. Alright y'all, deuces.
ICY BOI Productions. ICY BOI Productions.
Please wait.
ICY BOI Productions.